Hi, this is Sam again. I hope you haven't missed our previous video on how to generate reports. Remember how you can change the scale of your reports? Let's move on to the next video on how to get support. Indshine gives you the option of a quick online chat tool. Never hesitate to reach out to us in case you have stuck anywhere, need any migration support, need a demo, need any features, or for any pricing discussions. Indshine executives are available 24/7 at your service. Remember to drop in your business email ID and your full name, which will help us to assist you better. Use the support tool to share snapshots or screen recordings or any other supporting material of any issue you are facing while working on your maps. We will get back to you within 1 business day. You would love to go through to how-to videos on Indshine YouTube channel for quick onboarding. Indshine team is working hard to provide you with short and crisp stories for platform features, industry use cases, and engineering tips onto our blog section. Also, don't miss to be a part of the growing Indshine community on Facebook. Thanks for watching all the videos. Stay happy, stay healthy.